Hello. Hello. Oh, there's 19 people now. Yo, that's so fast. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello. This is so awkward. Hello. I'm on live because I'm shadow banned. And I need to get unshadow banned. So if you guys... Oh no. Because the way you walk, the way you understand me, the way you talk, the way you whisper to my ear. Anyways, how are you guys? How are you guys? Pwede bang dahan-dahan lang yung comments so I can read properly, you know? You know? So what do you guys want to do in our live? This is so awkward. This is so random. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Oh, it's a star. Hello. Are you bored? I just got home. I did something. And, naisipan kong mag-live because I've been very shadow banned. So, kailangan daw mag-live pag shadow ban. So, pagbigyan nyo na ako. I'm super shadow banned. So, hain kaya na? Adi ako balay. Nangaon na ka mo? The way you walk. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do in this live? What? You guys suggest. What do you guys want to do? You're so pretty. Thank you so much. You're prettier. Watch ka edits. Yo, I watched my edits already. It's cringe. It's crazy, I'm telling you. Anong gusto nyong gawin natin for our life? What do you guys want to do? Prank call? Tama na ang prank call. Alam na nila yan. You know, ang dami na nag-prank call na naging, naging biktima na ako ng prank call. Nakapag-prank call na rin ako. So, ang dami ng, what do you call this? Ang dami ng entry ng mga prank calls. The way you walk, the way you understand me, the way you talk, the way you just whisper to me. My phone's charging right here, so let me just... I've got two phones right now. What's my ganap today? Secret. The way you walk, the way you understand me. What do you guys want to do? Ano bang gagawin natin? Nag-live lang talaga ako para di na ako masyado ban. So, most sent prank call. Huwag na nga tayo mag-prank call! Ang dami nang nag-prank call talaga. Nabiktima na rin ako. Huwag na. Iba naman. Iba. You guys can ask me questions if you want. Since I'm here already. So, because the way you walk, The way you understand me, the way you talk, the way you just whisper to me. How do you do this? Watch edits. Yo! Edits are crazy. Ayoko. Edits? What's your LSS song right now? Ano? Yan, I like those type of questions. Right now, the way you walk, the way you understand me. Yun talaga right now. Tsaka, all I need to hear by the 1975. So it all means nothing. Wait. I'm gonna read some comments. Please, don't stop spamming me right now. Let me read first. Ano, wala na. Where is it? Spill one fact about yourself. I'm a night owl. I'm a night owl. I don't sleep at all. So, yun. What's my favorite color? Black. But it's not even a color, diba? If I have time, makeup tutorial. I don't even know what I do with my makeup. Di ko na alam ginagawa ko sa makeup ko. I just put things in my face and then it just turns out like that. But I'll try. Ano oras ka natulog kagabi? 4? Oh, I read something about Divergent. Oh my, I love Divergent, y'all. Tobias Eden. 4. I love Divergent. That's my husband right there. That's my husband. Oy, what's happening? Why is my stand going like that? Wait a minute. Favorite songs in 1975? So many, bro. But About You will always be that. It will always be. Matulog. Paano matitiis na matulog ng maaga sa bahay ni Kuya? We have no time. So we don't know if it's early or late. We have no time. So, pero alam kong minsan maaga kami pinapatulog if di pa ako nakakatulog kasi nga puyaters ako. Yeah. Paborito kong food? Adobo. You know, we should do something para hindi kayo ma-bored. Ang dami yung comment. Di ako nakakabasa. Kailan ka nag-start makinig sa The 97.5? 2022. The first song I listened to was About You. And then I just got hooked. And then About You, then other songs na. My phone's charging here, ah. Wait lang. I'm just gonna... I love you a lot. I love you more. Let's go listen ng tugtog right now. Sana ka mauli, Samar? Secret, band maburit. I love you a lot. I love you more. Sige na, nanood lang ako ng edits. First time there's edits. Oh, that's crazy. Oh my god. I'm putting myself on trouble right now. Oh. The way you walk, the way you understand me. Yo, that's crazy! What? Oh my god! Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah. I like that. I like that. I like that. Oh my god, ito ba yung sampalan namin ni Kap Kap? Oh my god! No! I don't wanna watch that! Why am I watching myself right now? I don't wanna watch myself anymore, I'm telling you. That's crazy, watching yourself while being watched by other people watching yourself. It's crazy. Let's just listen to music right now. Cause it all means nothing. I get out my records when you go away. Kasi naman, bakit? Y'all are crazy, you know. I get out my records when you go away. And people are talking. I miss what they said. Cause it all means nothing, my dear, if I can't be holding you near. Tell me you love me, 'cause that's all that I need to hear. I sit in my kitchen. Naging song cover na. You know what? What are we going to do? We should ask me questions. I'll answer them. Cause I don't need music. Balak ko ba mag-star sa horror? Of course! I love horror movies. I'm not really a scaredy cat. So, magugulutan ako pero hindi ako matatakutin. So, I love listening to watching horror movies. That's my bond with my family. We always watch horror movies. So many times before, but hearing it from you means much more. So much more. One thing I love. Where is it? I saw a good question. My zodiac sign is Cancer. Moon Coffee. Yes! Okay, you guys should watch XOTP. I finished it in one night. Just tell me what I wanna hear. Just know where to find me, the place where we leave goes. Do you have if bibigyan ka? That's all that I need to hear. Just tell me you love me. questions, guys. I'll answer them. Cravings right now, milk tea. You know, I've been craving for milk. I've been drinking milk tea every single day. I never meant to call you legit. I've been drinking milk tea every single day. Every single day now. I want milk tea right now. I haven't eaten anything, but I'm gonna order milk tea in a bit. What is wrong with me? Kakanta ka ba sa motion mo? Yes. Unfortunately, yes. I'll be in Zamboanga sa Monday. So I'll see you guys there. My hair is so... What's wrong with my hair right now? Oh, it's a corgi! Weekend lover. Wait lang, pwede dahan-dahan lang. If you will be given a chance to be the kuya in the B&K house, what would be the schedule? Saying our friendship had to end. Purple rain. Sorry. Every midnight, dun ako gising eh. Dun din gumagana yung utak ko. So, every midnight, doon ko sila dun. Every midnight. What is the most attractive, ano yun? Quality na partner? Oh, that's a good question. Only wanna see you there. What's my, wait a minute. Most attractive quality na partner. Madami. That completely depends on your type and on your preference. But for me, siguro it's when siguro being a gentleman. Yeah. And someone who listens. Like, actually listens. Oh, habang sibol ko na. You have a mustache now. My memorable task sa PBB. My most favorite one is when we did the live show. Kasi I'm the one who wrote everything. I'm the one who directed everything. So, yeah, that's my favorite one. It's my favorite one. Well, it wasn't even acting din. I was just being myself. I really had fun. Like, yun talagang super memorable for me, the live show. Because I got to write, and I love writing. To also direct, in a way. Wait lang, pwede isa-isa lang ang comment. Favorite snacks sa B&K? Air-fried fudgy bar. Air-fried fudgy bar. Super good. Yun talaga all the time. It would also be good din with siguro on top of yogurt. What's your favorite moment sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya? Every day talaga. Every day you get to learn a lot there. And every day there's always memorable moment. Kasi even like the mundane ones, yung mga times na boring or dull, it's not it. Parang sometimes inside the house, you got to learn how to sit in silence with each other sometimes. Because diba, your emotions are more heightened. So you feel everything more. So yung mga times na nakatulala lang kami or nakatingin lang kami sa taas. And those are like good times then, good moments because parang wala lang, it's just so peaceful. Yung mga ganun moments. Tapos na nahihirapan ako masyado. Siguro, nung jump rope. Hindi siya mahirap, but sobrang nakakapagod siya. Super nakakapagod siya. Super duper. Yung jump rope. It's not hard ha. Kasi kaya naman kaya siya. Napapractice naman. Pero kasi over time, the more you keep doing it, the more na babagsak yung knees mo, yung paa mo, masakit. Tapos yung likod ko ng sakit-sakit. So, it's hard physically. But I love the jump rope task. I love it. I enjoyed that one day. Oh, bawal mag-phone sa bahay ni Kuya. Mahirap maging artista. I feel like everything naman's hard. Everything's hard, but as long as you want it enough, then it's hard, but you're not gonna get tired of it. That's what matters naman. Kahit mahirap, you don't get tired of what you're doing. Ano pa ba? Ask me more questions. Kimi lang bawal yun. Bawal mag-notes or diary. Oo, bawal. Bawal magsulat doon. Bawal. It's a sin in Kuya's house. Bawal. Ng kalungkutan ko. Manasbook ka sa live ni Carmel kahapon. Kasi naman. Wait lang, I have short attention span. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Matcha versus milk tea. I'm telling you, I'm so obsessed with milk tea now. Like, bro, I drink milk tea every day now. It's not healthy. I'm telling you, it's not. And then, I'm just obsessed with sweets. Sweets, right? Give me more questions. Di ka matiis kapag inalis mo. Nanonood si Enrico ng live ko! Weba? What? Huwag ka naman nood. Ba yan? Ba't nanonood? Asan siya? Wow! Nanonood! Miguel, huwag ka na dito. Huwag ka na dito. Enrico! Please! Pissing me off, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Nanonood si Cap? Weba? Really? Nakakairita yun, Miguel. Papanoorin daw niya ako habang tumatay. Kadiri ka. Sige, isplok ko lahat yan sa live. Sige. Nanonood ba si Cap? Sabi ko, chill-chill lang tayo dito. Nanonood pala sila. I told you, Miguel. I'm gonna splook it. Nanonood ba si Cap? Oh my God, Cap! Cap, you said it! Cap! Cap! I miss you! Bakit nagsisend ang bibig? Miguel, buti pa si Caprizo nagsend sa akin ng bibingka. Ikaw? Enrico, hello? Miguel! Might as well, you know? Kakairita. Nagsend daw siya 10 roses. Weh ba? 5 pesos ang putol. Libre mo ko kwek-kwek, Enrico. Ay, hindi pala to call. Sorry, hindi pala to call. Ba't nandito si Cap? Nakakahiya. Ayoko na pala mag-live. Nakakahiya pala to. Capital letters. Let me give it to you. Miss you, Cap. Andiyan pa ba siya? Enrico, andiyan ka pa? Wala na. Tama, umalis ka na. Huwag ka na dito. Kaptal. Let me give it to you. Si Miguel may ano yan. Ano? Alam ko ang favorite ship ni Enrico. Ano? Dati-dati. Guys, abangan nyo kami sa Monday. Pwede naguto sa Zamboanga. Zamboanga? Oo. Akanta doon si Miguel. Sobrang ganda ng boses ni Miguel. Promise. You have to prepare yourself to cover your ears. Okay? Okay? So, sobrang ganda ng boses niya. Mapapa... Oh! Abangan nyo kami doon, alright? Oh, maawit. Oh, maawit. Ng theme song. Nasabay kinabisa. Ooh, it's a star. It's a star. It's a star. Guys, I feel like I'm gonna end my live soon. Naantok na ako. Nakakaantok pala to. Ano mag-send ng ano? Pag nag-live, Paano mag-send? I don't know how to do that. And I always see the housemates go on live. Pero di ko alam kung paano ko mag-send. Kay sarap namang mabalikan ang alaala. Ang dami nagko-comment. Please, one by one only, one by one. Please let me read the comments. Please. What's my foundation? Hindi po ako nagpa-foundation eh. Concealer lang. I'll reveal my concealer sa takdang panahon. Got that blue fever, cold outside so you can be up. Feel like I'm loved by a breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it. If the person you fell will ever do. Title of the song, Burning Blue. Burning Blue. I can feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm on it. I don't even care as long as you're right here. My best friend's watching. My best friend's watching. And I'll oblige, promise to please ya. Then fire, then it's treason. My best friend is watching, si Sophie. What's up? Why are you here? Get out! Feel it in my cold sweat dripping everywhere. Anong gagawin natin dito, guys? Please, what are we gonna do here? Moping ako, Lop. What everyone said, I'm on it. You know, the only reason, ito I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't go on live because I don't know what to do on live. And I'm a very awkward person. So what am I doing here? I don't know how to interact. I don't know how to engage with you guys. So please help me out because I'm trying my best. Tapos, ayun, nakalimutan ko sabihin ko. Nakita kasi ako ng ibon eh. Grabe attention span ko. You know, I also can't watch a movie properly na kasi every 10 minutes, I would be scrolling on TikTok. I would be scrolling on my social media apps. So, oh my God. Kaya, hindi ako nag-live kasi hindi naman ako, ano bang gagawin ko sa live? I'm a very awkward person. So, I don't know what to do here. I don't know how to talk to you guys. Magtanong na lang kayo ng questions, please. Please. The way you walk, the way you understand me. And the only reason then why I'm on live right now is because I'm shadow banned. I'm shadow banned. So, kailangan ko po ng tulong nyo para hindi na ako ma-shadow banned. Lala! Yo. Yes, yo. Anong gusto mong gawin natin? Please. You guys gotta help me out. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. Just kidding. Live ka palagi para di masyado ban. Yeah. Kasi di talaga ako naglo-live. Di talaga ako marunong mag-live. Please. Please. Because the way you walk, the way you understand me, the way you talk, the way you whisper to my ear. Babasa ka ba ng AU? Sometimes. I do read sometimes. Ano gusto niyong gawin, people? Anong gagawin natin dito, mga people? Magtambay na lang tayo dito. Mag-scroll ako sa TikTok. Mag-scroll na lang din kayo ng sarili niyo. Ngayon na lang gawin natin. Mag-scroll na lang tayo together. Let's go sit in silence together, okay? It's called quality time. Quality time, okay? That's my love language. Come on. Come on. Get your phones. Let's go scroll. I'm 1%. How am I gonna scroll? I'm gonna scroll my brains out. I'm telling you. I can feel it in the air. Manood na nga lang akong edits. Sige na nga. Sige na nga. Sige na nga. Sige na. Ito na. Manood na akong edits. Sige na nga. Sige na. Sige na. Sige na. O, sige na. Manood na ako. Sige na. After this last song. Bro, 4 of Spades. I watched them on live. Oh my god. Crazy good! Crazy good. You're so talented.
Kabisado ko na ang tamis ng iyong labi. Kabisado ko na ang oras ng iyong uwi. Di na kailangan pa na ikaw ay magsalita. Nang magpaulan na
I have cookies here. I'm gonna eat. Let's eat together. Here's one. Here's one.
Kabisado ko na ang tamis ng iyong labi. Kabisado ko na ang oras ng iyong uwi. Di na kailangan pa na ikaw ay magsalita.
We're gonna watch edits now. I'm gonna watch this girl edits.
Just a sun, the moon till the sun starts waking. Love's the only direction. Gray ka.
Wow! Kairita.
Bakit di nila alam? Okay lang, just don't say. What do I always photograph?
Aww. Aww.
Above the clouds.
Mm.
I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe.
Wow.
Sipin mo sarili.
Grabe kasi
Uh-huh.
paano mo ko
Grabe yun. Kairita. Oh my God. Oh.
pwede ba?
Every table, I'll stay here safe. Where you go.
Let's watch cargo edits.
Parang walang nakikinig. Diyan ka nagkakamali. Lapit sa akin at huwag mata. Ulan ay tila na kahit sabihin mo na di na kaya. Wanag ng pizza.
Nung laban niya sa
Cargo.
ikaw galing mansyon, ako galing gali. Alam ko tingnan nila sa'yo diamante. Ang gusto ko na ikaw ang importante. Kayang ibigay buhay na elegante. Sinagot agad, hindi na ako nangarana. Sabi mo lang gana, kaya agad na pasana. Bawal bastusin kahit saan mo kalsada. Pag sumubok sila sa'yo na yung kawawa.
Ganda.
Oh, crawling back to you. Never thought of
Okay. Ano bang next? What's next? What's next? Ano yung edits next? I'm 1% again. What's next? Ano edit next? Chris Gel edits. Kadiri, wag na. Just kidding. Sino ako eh? Chris Gel. Okay.
Hindi talaga pwede. Best friend kayo. Talaga. As di ba minsan?
Bato, Enrico.
Di ba? Diba?
Oh my God, we're so young here!
Madalas ka mag-read. They might see it as disconnected. Pero for me, kasi di lang kita. I know that's not how it is. Just this.
Why am I crying to him? Yo!
Words that you don't even know. But by simply by being there.
Aww, that's tough. Aww. Babayad yung hug na yun. So, kwek. Kapag magulo na ang earth. Aww.
Kung nasaktan kita, sentalin mo ko. Gantihan mo ko. Matatanggap ko lahat dahil kaibigan mo ko.
Oh yes, kaibigan mo ako. Kaibigan mo lang ako. That's all I trust you. Best friend. Yo, that's crazy! Diri! Yuck! Anyways, enough that. Babang pwede natin panoorin at gawin. Oh, you guys want some cookies? Kumain na ba kayo? Did you guys eat na? What did you guys eat? What did you guys eat? Just the way you walk. I'll go na ng 2:30. So if you guys have any questions right now, sabihin nyo na. Any requests? Kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan masusundan to. So, kasi di talaga ako sanay mag-live. So, sorry na in advance. You know, ang dami ko nababasang... Oh my God, wait. Good questions, pero nawawala. Na ano? Ay, ano updated na 10 facts about you? Oh my God, stop watching my vlog! Oh my Lord! Huwag yun na panoorin yung vlog ko nung sa unang panahon. Huwag na, please. Stop watching my vlog, guys. Please, do not stop. Stop right now, please. Please, I keep seeing my clips and my edits nung bata pa. Huwag na, please! What do you mean? What does the fox say? What you mean, Crystal? It's crazy. I'm telling you, huwag niyo na panoorin, please. 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 Huwag yun ang panoorin. Prank call, ano, tara? Just kidding. Tama na! Wait lang, pwedeng isa-isa lang yung comment. Oh my god, this overstimulating me right now. Miss the AFAM siblings. Me too! I miss Moy Moy. I miss my Buzz Bear. We send memes to each other. I send him memes all the time. Maaari bang malaman mo? Retired vlogger daw ako. Please stop! Enough! Enough. Okay, I'll go in 3 minutes. I'll go in 3 minutes. Sana after ng live ko, di na ako shadow banned. Sana, sinabi mo. Sana, sinabi mo. What if mag-scroll na lang tayo together? Yun na lang bond natin. Mag-scroll tayo sa social medias natin together like this. I think that's a good idea. Two minutes. 2 minutes and I'll say bye now. Mag-live ako ulit. Ano nga gagawin ko sa live? Ano bang ginagawa dito? Nag-live na ako para di masyado bad. Ano ba? Ano bang ginagawa dito? But, if we're gonna go on live, if I'm gonna go on live next time, I don't know, we should probably do something. Sobrang random kasi ng live ko na to. It's just super random, like super duper random. Kasi nga, kauwi ko lang. Sabi ko, you know what, why not? One minute. Bye-bye. Kumain kayo ah. You guys eat na? Pwede bang, the comments, send me like what's, like, you know, my attention span, it's not spanning, please. Let me read one by one. Oh my god, wow, why are you spamming me right now? 1 minute or 30 seconds na lang. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being in my life na kahit wala namang kakwenta-kwenta at sobrang boring. Thank you for being with me. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna go bye now. I'm gonna go say bye-bye now. I'm gonna go bed rot now. And bed rots. And bed rots. And bed rots. Just kidding. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my live na walang kwenta. I just wanted to spend time with you guys. And parang hindi na ako masyado banned. So, mahal na mahal ko kayo. See you guys next week on Zamboanga. And sana masundan ulit tong live natin pag... Sana masundan. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being with me here. I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed kahit onting panahon lang. Bye-bye. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.